Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today I am going to explain how to get perfect eyebrows. Here I am unboxing and using the products from Amazon. Let's get started. I found this organic clear transparent mascara eyebrow gel on Amazon. Good thing about this product is it is organic and filled with natural ingredients and helps to make your eyebrows thick, black and full. Now I am unboxing my all-time favorite, L'Oreal Paris Eyebrow Kit in the shade medium to dark. It has pigmented wax and eyebrow powder for brow shaping and filling. This is a must-have product. It is eyebrow touch-up hair removing face razor to remove extra hair and get the perfect eyebrow shape. Now apply this transparent eyebrow gel. Prepare your eyebrows for the next step. If you don't have this product, you can apply aloe vera gel, that is also enough. This brow kit has powder and wax. Fill in the gaps of brows with powder. Start at your brow arch and work your way down on both sides. Don't apply in the first half of your brow, it creates artificial look. Now take wax and brush your brows to lock the powder for long lasting look. By the way, here I am using lipstick shade Chilli from MAC. Check the iCard for 26 MAC lipstick swatches video. This is the final look. You can see how perfect the eyebrows look. I'm sure this is gonna stay all day. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.